Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. We are gonna learn how to place texts on an image in HTML. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Create here a div tag. Now give a class name for the div tag. Inside the div tag, let's tag an image. Create here an img tag. We are gonna use this image URL for our img tag. Copy this image URL and paste here. Now inside the div tag, create some p1 tags. Inside the p1 tags, you can write some texts. Let's create class names for each of these p1 tags. Now it is the time to write CSS for our class names. Inside the style tag, we can write our CSS, okay? Let's write CSS for the text image. Write CSS for the image. We can see here our image is fitted inside the page. Write CSS for the top left text. Now our text has appeared on the top left side of the image. Write CSS for the text at the center. Write CSS for the bottom left text. Write CSS for the top right text. Write CSS for the bottom right text. We can see here all the texts have appeared on the respective positions of the image. This is how you can write texts on an image in HTML. If you want to create a link on the image, you can put the image tag inside an a tag and then create here a link. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. If you have any question, please leave in the comment box below. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.